right back for more. I'm gonna try to keep the sniffling at a minimum in this video, but I am fighting allergies and the allergies are winning. I want to sneeze every 2 seconds. We're gonna get through this video, I promise. I grabbed 3 more of these mini brands to unbox with you today. I still don't want to look at the paper and see everything available to get. Just like my last video, I'm really hoping for maybe an eyeshadow palette. I do believe there are 2 rare products. One was an OPI nail lacquer, I believe in Bubble Bath. And the other one was a truly unicorn body butter, if I'm remembering correctly. Definitely the 2 rare ones I would like. Eyeshadow palette is number 1. Probably an e.l.f. lip gloss would be really cute. Now that I have all the plastic off of all 3 of these, we'll open them up in no particular order, but I'll open up one ball at a time. And this time, hopefully we won't break a nail opening this. 1, 2, 3, 4... collector's guide. Last time I chose how to pick it first, I just threw them up and opened the one that I caught. This one. Okay. Ooh, a new product. Awesome. We're off to a great start already. It's e.l.f.'s Holy Hydration Makeup Cleansing Balm, which if you have the real product, let me know if that actually works. Number 2. Oh, I didn't catch any. Oh, got one. One feels kind of big. Oh, there's no way. Oh, there's no way. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Is this the rare one? Nuh-uh. No, it's not. I'm gonna have to double check. I got really excited. I thought this was the unicorn one. This says Buns of Glory, but like glory, by Truly. They're smoothing butt polish. No repeat, but you can see some of the like rainbow colors inside. The lid does twist. Oh my god, it does come off. Oh my god, it does come off. There's no freaking way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Oh my god, they do come off. That's even better. Are you serious? Oh my god. So there's the why was I expecting that? It's still plastic, but that makes it so much better that I can actually, now I gotta try everything. Okay, this was the Truly cap. Oh, that's so exciting. This was the cleansing balm, the first thing that we opened from e.l.f. That's the top. It's a light blue product. Oh my gosh, that one has like a little bit of a different texture. I've gotta know. Okay, these are the eye patches. It's just a clear, it's just a hard plastic, but it's so satisfying. That means this lotion top has got to come off then, right? Oh, it does. I cannot seem to get the bottle cap off. Okay, it seems like possibly the bottle caps don't come off, but like these little ones do. I'm also eating. Another like maybe medium-sized one. Another new one. This one is from, I never know how to actually pronounce this brand, and you're not going to be able to see that. I'll put it here. That brand. And I'll be honest with you, my vision is going. I literally cannot read that. I think it might be time for glasses officially, guys. Even though I might not. Oh my god, you came out. Oh, well, that's kind of cool. You can actually see. So it's just like a little plasticky. Oh, should I do like an ASMR video? I don't know. Anyways, I'll get the lid in a second, but I guess some of these products might pop out on you. They do. Here's the e.l.f. one. I've got to see this rainbow one. That one's not coming out. Anyway, I'm wasting so much time. We have the fourth one. This one is really small. Maybe a brush or something? It's long. Oh my god. I'm gonna freaking die. I kid you not. This is actually one of my favorite products. I literally use it in my everyday look. I put a little bit of white, or sometimes I'll use a nude in my waterline with my makeup. And this is a teeny tiny NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Why do I give it away? I love this so much. All right. That was the first blind bag. We're going to move into the next one. Oh my god, this one has 5. Okay, well, I caught a couple, but we'll start with this one. Oh my gosh, I think it might be a repeat. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? It is our first repeat, but it happens to be the exact one I just showed you. The NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. We got a 5th, but it was a duplicate, so hopefully no more duplicates. We'll do this one. This one feels like another, just like that Jumbo Eye Pencil one. So hopefully, oh, okay, definitely different product because I see black. A teeny tiny NYX brow gel. Please give me a spoolie. Please give me a spoolie. If you're just a stick, they gave me a freaking spoolie. This brings me so much joy, and that's why I keep buying them. Oh, okay. This one feels actually pretty big. Maybe another container, possibly a repeat. Hopefully not. Oh, okay, another Truly. This is definitely not the rare one, but it is different than the one that we just opened. So this one again was the Buns of Glory, kind of rainbow one. This one is all white. This one is Cocoa Cloud Whipped Shave Butter. I didn't honestly realize Truly had so many of these products. We have 2 more. We'll do this one. Oh my gosh, what are you? I'm gonna have to go check out this Truly brand a little more, because even this piques my interest. This is a glazed donut aftershave oil. And it comes with a little tiny, like maybe dropper. Oh my gosh. Last one of our second ball. This one, I think this one's a new product. It feels flat and rectangular, and I have nothing of the sort. Oh, yay, yeah. This is one of the ones I wanted. This is one of the ones I wanted. This one also has like a little lip gloss applicator. In our last blind ball for today's video, I don't know if we're gonna get 4 or 5 blind bags this time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not the exact same shade. I actually do think I have this little baby pink shade the little mini one is in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do I want to open it? I'm afraid they're a little too common. I'm not sure though. I really can't see through the packaging. It's just the shape of it. But let's just find out. And, oh yay! Oh cool, different product. This one is a Tarte concealer, a shade tape concealer actually. Of course, this one opens too up into a little concealer wand. Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. Another new one. This is OY or OA, OUIA. Sorry, OUAI. This is their scalp serum, and I'm assuming maybe it has a little dropper. This one actually does not want to come off, so it's gonna stay as it is. Oh, another new product we have from Good Molecules. This is a Wake Up Eye Gel. Some more skin preparation. The little tiny cap does not come off, but honestly, I'll lose it in a second if it did. Unfortunately, I only have 2 more of these left, so this one first, and this one, oh, it kind of feels, it could be a repeat, could be a new one, but it kind of feels like this one, but we'll see. Don't think we're gonna get any of our rares today, Oh no. Oh shoot. We have another repeat. This is the lip lacquer oil again. Our last one. I'm hoping at least that it's not a repeat. It is a rectangle again. Hopefully new one. Last one for this video anyway. Ooh, oh my god. I'm glad I ended on a good note. This is one of those teeny tiny elf like angled beauty blenders for underneath your eyes. I'm curious if I can open the box without destroying it because I gotta see this little sponge. Okay, you can open the box. I'm gonna be really careful because I do want to keep it in there and safe, but oh my gosh, it's actually a little tiny sponge. Let me take a very quick look at the two rare products again, just to confirm that we did not get any today, which I don't believe we did. Definitely did not get any sort of OPI nail polish. And then with the Truly, we got a rare. It is it. Maybe it was the rainbow. I thought I said unicorn something, but it's not. It's the Truly Beauty Buns of Glory Smoothing Polish. Baby, we got a rare. Still on the quest to find the OPI bubble bath. If you guys enjoyed watching today, please go ahead and show me by leaving a like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.